Hello, MasterStudy users. Do you want to bulk import Chinese language quizzes in MasterStudy? Here is a demo. I presume you have already installed the STM Quiz Importer plugin. Download the CSV template from Plugin Settings page. Next, you have to fill out the quiz template. Fill single_ choice in the question type cells for single answer type questions. Next, write your questions in the question title column. Input a category name in the category column. If your question has images, paste the image IDs in the question image column. Now, fill answer options. Next, if you need to explain answer options, fill question explanations columns respectively. Fill answer columns for the correct answers. If your answer 1 is correct, write number 1 in this answer column. If you want to display correct answers, write yes in the Show Correct Answer column. If you want to set percentage of passing grade, write the numbers in this column. You can set the percentage of points total cut after retake by writing numbers in this column. If you want to randomize questions, write yes in the Randomize Questions column. Next, fill the quiz title and quiz contents. Next, write a quiz front-end description in this column. You can set the featured image by writing an image ID. Now set quiz duration by writing number and duration measures in these two columns. If you want to assign courses, you need to write existing course name. If you want to assign a specific section, you need to write existing section name. You also assign a specific section by filling the relevant IDs column. Finally, save your template as CSV UTF-8. Now, go to the STM Quiz Importer settings page and upload your template. Your quizzes will import within a second and are listed in the quizzes page and also attached with the course. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. You can check the video description for more details about the STM Quiz Importer